How's it going? Welcome to another episode of Bullet's Garage. I have another quick video for you guys today about why I decided to do a muffler delete on my Lexus GSF. As you've seen in the clips that I've played, the main reason is the stock muffler is very restrictive. A lot of manufacturers are doing what's called pancaking of the exhaust system, where they take the tube, which is nice and round, and they flatten it out to, let's say, sometimes clear the rear differential, other body parts. They do that, which in turn reduces the amount of flow going through the exhaust, creates more back pressure, more restriction, less power. I didn't go with a full aftermarket setup because first of all, they're too expensive. Borla, I believe, is the least expensive company, but I didn't like how the tips looked on the muffler itself, so that's why I decided to go with a custom muffler delete, which I have done, which I have a previous video of that. I'll put a link in the description below so you can check it out. I did that muffler delete because I wanted more sound from the car, and it was a cheaper option going custom muffler delete instead of purchasing, aftermarket companies. I got rid of that pancaking. I did have the shop install what's called a VBand on the stock exhaust setup. So what that means is I could easily change the custom muffler delete with the stock setup with one bolt. It's one bolt, VBand holds it together, easy to swap instead of the 2-bolt flange that comes with its stock, which has a donut inside, and they compact together to make a tight seal. The VBands are so much easier. It was a little bit more money, but in the long run, let's say I go to a dealership and they give me some troubles for whatever reason, I could put that stock exhaust back on in 10 minutes and have no issues. Another reason why I decided to get the VBands is because if I want to go on a long road trip, the muffler delete is pretty loud. There's a little bit of noise in the cabin. For a 4 or 5 hour road trip, you don't want to hear, on the highway drone the whole time. So I could easily swap that back, have a quiet ride, come back to town, put on the loud exhaust, and it's so easy, so quick. I recommend going VBands for anybody that's thinking about doing any custom exhaust work. It's such a lifesaver, makes things so quick. In conclusion, guys, don't let manufacturers kill your car's power, its sound. If you're gonna do custom work on your exhaust, I recommend going through, stainless steel piping. Get a V-band so it's easy to swap out. Check out my previous video about the muffler delete if you're interested in how it was done, which shop did it. I have all the information there. See you guys on the next video. Take care.